Hey everyone, okay, so if you have to bake underneath the eyes, there are certain ways to go about it to minimize the fact that you could look 106. So here are my favorite tips. Firstly, apply your concealer. If you're going to bake under the eyes, chances are you're going to do a lot of concealer, so go for it. Why not? Now, when it comes to baking, here's the tip or the trick. Most people go straight in with a loose powder and pat it all underneath the eyes to create this kind of heavy baking effect. That works, but you can't do that first. You have to lightly set the under eye area first. If you do it straight away just with that heavy baking, it will stick to the concealer, and as you knock it off, it will look dry and cakey, and you don't want that. So take a pressed or a loose powder and very lightly pre-powder that area. This is so important. Here's another quick tip. A little spritz of setting spray before you move on to this next step. Now, start to powder, bake all underneath the eyes. You can leave it on for 2 or 3 weeks if you want, then knock it all off. Then you will find it's much smoother. A quick spritz, and I mean this, a quick spritz of setting spray will sort things out. I prefer to spray directly onto a sponge and then just pat because I think it's more concentrated. And that's how you do some under eye baking without looking like you're about 1,000 years old. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.